RVing is a great activity for anyone who wants to get out and enjoy some time outdoors with your significant other or your whole family. It becomes even more enjoyable when you find the right RV for you and your needs. These layouts, called floor plans, have been specifically designed to enable you to find the perfect fit for who you'll be camping with and what you want to do. With motorhomes, you'll find most of them will be front living floor plans where all the main camping functions will occur in the front. A few motorhomes have bunks, so they're classified as bunkhouse models. You'll also find some of the lengthier ones accommodate either a large bath on the back end on its own or with an additional half bath in the middle. Depending upon the motorhome, they will sleep anywhere from 2 to 10 people. Regarding travel trailer and fifth wheels, there are two basic floor plan categories. Those created for the camping couple in mind and those created for the camping family. Let's take a look at the floor plans benefiting the camping couple, most of which, while designed for two, will sleep from 2 to 4 people. A rear bath floor plan is one with a generally larger than average bathroom in the back of the RV. The majority of these will be small campers, but will also tend to have more closet space and sometimes even an outside kitchen. Up next are rear kitchen floor plans. These, with their larger kitchen having more counter space and storage, are a camp cook's dream. Some rear kitchen floor plans will come with a full-length pantry and a residential-size fridge. Next up, we have the rear living floor plan. These are built for complete camp comfort. Their back wall will either have a large sofa, often with a hide-a-bed, or a set of swivel rockers. Most will have a large picture window on the back wall as well. A subset of the rear living floor plan is rear entertainment. This floor plan moves the sofa or rockers to another spot and places an entertainment center on the back wall, complete with a flat screen TV, stereo, and storage. All of these can also be found as front models. Front kitchen and front living are pretty common. Front bath layouts are more rare, but available in some fifth wheels. Now let's take a look at a type of floor plan centered around the RVing family, the bunkhouse. These models generally have their back end dedicated to bunks. Some models have a privacy curtain for the kids or your guests, while other models will have an enclosed bunk room. Bunkhouse models come in all lengths and layouts and come with sleeping spaces anywhere from 5 to 10. Some bunkhouses will have a bathroom dedicated to the bunk room inhabitants, and some models will have a bathroom with an entry door from the exterior for quick and easy access. Another family-focused bunkhouse style model that's new to RVing is the mid-bunk model. Mostly in the fifth wheel category, these have a bunk room, often with a loft, in the middle of their layout, but the rest of the layout is generally a rear living floor plan. In my personal opinion, this is the best of both worlds. Now for a quick take on a type of floor plan some RVers have used when they know they will continually bring more than 4 people out RVing, but also need room for their outdoor toys. We're talking about the toy hauler. A toy hauler will give you garage space to bring your ATV, motorcycles, bikes, golf carts, etc. Plus the garage area has sleeping space. Most will be equipped with a pair of rollover or flip-up sofas, plus have an additional drop-down queen bed, and with their wide variety will have enough beds to sleep anywhere from 4 to 10. The vast majority of toy haulers are either travel trailers or fifth wheels, but there are a few motorhomes as well. Something else to point out regarding floor plans are slide-outs. Slide-outs pull out sections of the RV to dramatically open up interior space. You'll find slide-outs containing just a single bed, all the way up to slide-outs housing the entire kitchen. But if you're someone who thinks they'll need to use their RV while in transit to a destination, many slide-outs when pulled in will restrict access. For most RVers, this is a very minor issue. But if it is a concern for you to have access while you're on the road, then a floor plan that allows access to the bathroom, refrigerator, and bedroom may be something to look for. Selecting the right floor plan for you and your camping family, regardless of how many will be generally joining you, is an important step to living the best RV life. If you have any questions, please contact your local Camping World. Thanks again for watching, folks. I'm Ian Baker, and this completes yet another chapter in your RV buying guide.